Just got the order from Megatech. So we got some wireless headphones. I just opened them now. I'm charging them. Got some brackets, and I thought I wasn't going to be able to use these, but thank God they came just in time, because now I need to make a seat. I had a seat, but for reasons that need not be mentioned, I need to replace the seat that I had. So I can use these brackets to build the seat out of the materials that I have. So I can even use this cardboard box and some other stuff I have downstairs, and I can just build another seat, so it's fine. And these have the holes pre-drilled in them, so I'm happy about that. I can use this as an anchor hole. This one can be an anchor hole, and then I'm gonna, let's say this is the tire right here, and the inside comes out. Okay, so the tire, you know, tires come over like this and like that. So I'm gonna put this right in there up against the tire wall and the top part of the tire, and then I'm going to drill a slit and push this part out and tie the handles to that hole right there, and then I can use that hole right there to tie down just for extra support. So that's the plan, and then I'm going to use these for like I'm going to make like a back part, like a chair. So I'm going to take these mats and do that. Then this part right here, this is the rope. They said they use this rope for anchoring and stuff, so it should be strong enough. We're gonna try it, and then I bought a series of other ropes if I needed to tie it down. So we have this rope, and I like using natural ropes when I can, because you know it's better for the environment. But this one is to actually hold up most of the thing. But now I'm looking at it, and it's a bit I don't know. They said it's for anchoring, so we're gonna try it for like for water, in the water and stuff. So. And then we got us some citronella candles, because the skeeters think I'm playing and I'm not. And we got us a stapler. And I thought this was natural wire, but they put this in there. I'm not sure why, because pretty sure I asked for all natural wire. All natural rope, but okay, maybe I misread it. Anyway. Oh, and I got this paint because I really love this color. I had it before, and I really, really like it. So I know I can use it in the future. That's the receipt. And yeah, that's it, guys. Love y'all. Ciao. Bye-bye.